So, you've heard about PocketGuard, right? That cool little app that promises to help you save money without even trying. But here's the burning question: does PocketGuard have a free version? Before we dive into that, let's quickly recap what PocketGuard does. It's like a personal finance assistant that automatically categorizes your spending, tracks your bills, and even suggests ways to save money. Pretty neat, huh? Is there a free version of PocketGuard? Unfortunately, there isn't a completely free version of PocketGuard. However, there's a catch, a good one, actually. PocketGuard offers a generous free trial period. This trial gives you a taste of all the premium features, allowing you to see if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Once the trial ends, you'll have to choose a subscription plan. These plans vary in price and feature offerings, catering to different needs and budgets. Why choose a subscription? You might be wondering, why bother with a subscription when there are so many free finance apps out there? Well, PocketGuard's premium features are what truly sets it apart. These include advanced budgeting tools, create detailed budgets, track your spending in real time, and get personalized savings goals. Bill tracking and reminders, never miss a payment again with automated bill tracking and timely reminders. Investment insights, get expert advice on investing your money and track your portfolio performance. Priority pay, prioritize your bills and pay them on time, even when you're short on cash. Premium customer support, get quick and efficient support from PocketGuard's dedicated customer service team. Is PocketGuard worth it? Ultimately, whether or not PocketGuard is worth the cost is up to you. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and achieving your financial goals, the premium features might be worth the investment. However, if you're just looking for a basic budgeting app, there are many free options available. To sum up, while PocketGuard doesn't have a completely free version, the generous free trial and powerful premium features make it a strong contender for anyone looking to improve their financial health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.